my name is Devasi Sarungbam, and today we are going to show a natural and eco-friendly products and materials for Viksit Bharat Buildathon. Our theme is Vocal for Local, which is known as the Kauna grass, which is a water-rich cultivated in the wetlands of Manipur. Kauna is an eco-friendly material used for crafting a wide range of handmade products like mats, baskets and bags. Kauna can reach up to 5 meters tall. With this material, we can build these beautiful bags, mats that is used for traditional ritual.
Why we are selecting this material? Because it is long, strong fiber, biodegradable and resistant to moisture. Using this material, we can reduce the waste of plastic by replacing plastic bag by these beautiful Kauna bags and Kauna mats.
Hi everyone, my name is Hoksam Bakar and I'm going to say the livelihood about Kauna. The cultivation and crafting of Kauna grass are a significant source of income for many families. We can make home decor, this kind of beautiful bags and kind of sitting mats. Kauna is a very important thing in Manipur because it is used in most traditional rituals and weddings. And we can use Kauna because it is a biodegradable thing, and these are very strong and would not break easily, so it will last for many years if used properly. Thank you.
My name is Rishikesh Wayangbam. The care instruction of Kauna. To ensure your Kauna grass item lasts, avoid prolonged exposure to water. Clean gently with a damp cloth like this when needed and allow it to air dry completely. Store the item in cool, dry place when not in use.
Hello everyone, my name is Kojon Wangprel, and Kauna is a living expression of Manipur culture. The art of weaving Kauna is skill passed through generation. Kauna is not just decorative item. It is used for many occasions and for rituals also. It can make such things like this bigger form of mats to lay down or rest on it. It can be also used to make this kind of basket to store things and reduce the use of plastic.
Now we are going to demonstrate of how the products are made.
And like this, repeating this process again and again and again, we can make beautiful basket like this and this.
Thank you everyone for supporting our project.